night chaos. This is a follow-up to the last video. If you saw last video, we installed the parent intake tube, and I realized, man, my engine bay is dirty as hell, so we're gonna go ahead and clean that up today. You know, we're not like professional detailers. This is just some shit to get it cleaner. So yeah, what we're gonna start out doing is just gonna wipe it off dry first, and then I guess from there might do like a little quick rinse and see how much dirt we got left from there. So stay tuned. So we just finished up part one. We just did like a dry wipe. So we're gonna let the engine cool down a little bit more, and then we're gonna come back, probably hit it with some light water and do a bit more wiping down, and we'll see what it's looking like. Using this Mother's Back to Black. I don't know, man, this is what we had on deck. If y'all got a better product to give the engine bay some shine, hit us up. First time doing this, just trying to get it a little cleaner. Like I said, we installed the inlet tube, so you know, just trying to make everything pop. Yeah, so pretty much all we did was just spray it down with soapy water, wipe everything by hand, dry first, and go back over with the soapy water, spot clean it. We hit it with some Q-tips, using Mother's Back to Black for the plastic, and I did some instant detailer on all the metal and up under the hood, and we're gonna go ahead and hit it with some quick wax, and we're gonna get the fuck up out of here. Yo, so that's all we got for the engine bay cleanup video.
Yep.
You know, if you like the video, definitely check out our other videos. We know we got all kind of car videos, FRS videos. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit us up, follow us on Instagram, Midnight Chaos LLC. We'll catch you next time.
Peace.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe. Subscribe.